Now it's time for me to find my next victim. But only who? Thinking about it, someone I think I know. Loves tech, willing to spend any amount of money on it. Just got just the thing right here. Top of the line, highest end spec. I know exactly who to call. He should be here any minute now. Where is he?
Hello, I'm here for the MacBook.
Come here. I got an offer you can't refuse. Top of the line, highest end MacBook you could ever find.
What is the price of the MacBook?
I got no time to waste. I got money to make. Okay. How much you want to pay?
$20.
$20. No. I want $5,000.
I'm not paying $5,000 for an old MacBook.
I don't do any scams, buddy.
Can I buy it for $2,500?
Alright, let's do it.
This is a crap MacBook. I'm throwing it in the garbage. Sell me a new computer.